Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to start an LLC in New Hampshire. New Hampshire LLC Formation Guide. So let's get started. So whether you're setting up your first business or adding to your portfolio, this guide will help you stay compliant with the regulations. And if you'd rather skip the process, you can use Northwest Registered Agent for just $39 to handle your LLC formation. The link is in the description. So now let's proceed to the steps on how you can start your New Hampshire LLC. So step 1 would be to name your LLC. First, you'll need to name your LLC because New Hampshire requires the name to include Limited Liability Company or LLC. It must also be unique and distinguishable from any other business name in the state. I recommend using New Hampshire's business name search tool to check availability, and you can also secure a domain name if you're planning to build a website. So if you don't know how to get here, you just need to go to google.com and search for New Hampshire's business name search tool, and then you can go here and click on this button right here. It must also be unique and distinguishable from any other business name in the state. I recommend using New Hampshire's business name search tool to check availability, and you can also secure a domain name if you're planning to build a website. So if you don't know how to get here, you just need to go to google.com and search for New Hampshire's business name search tool, and then you can go here and click on this button right here. And now step 2, which is to choose a registered agent. This is a person or business responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. Your agent must be a full-time resident of New Hampshire or a registered agent service. If you go with Northwest Registered Agent, they will provide this service for free for 1 year when you sign up using the link in the description. And now let's go to step number 3, which is to file your certificate of formation. Now file your LLC certificate of formation or Form LLC 1 with the New Hampshire's Secretary of State. This filing fee is $100, and you can submit the form either by online or by mail. Also, don't forget to decide if your LLC will be member managed or manager managed, depending on your preferred business structure. And now step number 4, which is to create an operating agreement. Though not required in the New Hampshire, an operating agreement is highly recommended. This legal document outlines the ownership and operational structure of your LLC. It can prevent conflicts in the future by setting clear rules for decision making, profit distribution, and ownership changes. And now step number 5, which is to get your EIN. Next, you'll need an EIN or Employer Identification Number from the IRS. This is crucial for opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. You can easily get your EIN directly from the IRS in just a few minutes. Now, step number 6, which is to obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your industry, you may need specific permits or licenses to operate in New Hampshire. This varies greatly by business type, so make sure to check both state and federal requirements. And now lastly, step number 7, which is to file your LLC annual report. Don't forget to file your LLC's annual report with the state. It's due every April 1st, and the filing fee is $100. Missing this deadline can result in a late fee and could even lead to the dissolution of your business. And that's it. Those are the simple 7 steps on how you can form your LLC in the New Hampshire. If you'd rather avoid the hassle, I highly recommend Northwest Registered Agent for only $39. They will take care of everything for you, from filing your formation documents to acting as your registered agent. Click the link in the description to get started. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.